speaker in this session is Rakhi Pratihar from IIT Bombay, and she will speak on some automorphisms of rational function fields and their applications to rank metric code. You will have 15 minutes, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, am I audible clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So first, I'd like to thank the organizers for giving the opportunity to be part of this Math Fest. And topic of my today's talk is about some automorphisms of rational function fields over finite characteristic and their applications to rank metric codes. It's based on joint work with Dr. Tuvir Randrayanarisoa, and here you can find an older version of the paper with the same title. So in last few decades, rank metric code has gained importance because of its applications in coding theory, for example, in network coding, also in cryptography. But it is also interesting to study the intrinsic properties of the code itself. So in this talk, I will present some constructions of some classes of rank metric code. So I move on to some definitions and notations that I will use. So yeah, throughout the talk, FQ denotes the finite field with Q elements. So this vector rank metric code. It was introduced by Dilj Gabidulin in 1985. So what is that? It is a FQM linear subspace of the n-dimensional vector space over FQM, where the rank metric is defined, induced by this rank distance. So if you take two code words from C or two vectors, then its rank distance is defined as the FQ dimension of the FQ space generated by the coordinates of their difference. And this is the notation we use for this. This n denotes the length of the code, k is the dimension, that FQ dimension, and d is the minimum rank distance. These codes are also widely known as Gabidulin codes. Now there is a bound on the dimension. So if we fix n and d, then the dimension is bounded by n minus d plus 1. This is called singleton-like bound, and this is proved by Gabidulin. And the codes attaining this bound are called maximum rank distance codes, in short, MRD codes. So one of the main goals in coding theory is to construct codes of maximum size. Here some examples of some MRD codes. So this is the first class of MRD codes that were constructed. So there are three equivalent representation of Gabidulin code. First one is given by the Q polynomials over FQM. Second one is by replacing the monomials by sigma, which is the Frobenius map. And the third one, it is the vector representation. So what we do here is, first we take n many FQ linearly independent elements of FQM, and then evaluate those, evaluate the Q polynomials in these coordinates. This has been generalized many times, like 4 times, and this is the latest generalization of these codes, which is constructed by Shiki in 2016. This is given by a set of linearized polynomial, and there is an extra term here involving eta. And see, it is generalized because the power of x is now q to the power s. And in 2018, OGO, they have generalized Gabidulin codes over arbitrary fields. So all these were over FQM over FQ. Now they consider phi polynomials, which are generalization of linearized polynomial. So what is this phi polynomial? You take a finite extension of arbitrary fields of degree m and consider the one of the automorphism in this group, and then the set of linearized phi polynomials denoted as L phi is the polynomials with coefficients in the larger field E. So how they have generalized? They have considered a cyclic Galois extension of arbitrary fields E over F. So instead of taking FQM over FQ and replacing sigma by the generator of the cyclic Galois group, and then choosing a vector of linearly independent elements of E, and then evaluating the phi polynomials at these coordinates. And so this is the general recipe for constructing generalized Gabidulin code. For the particular case they considered is over numbered fields, and reducing these modulo prime ideal, they got the original Gabidulin codes over finite fields. So now the question is that whether there exists generalized Gabidulin code over some field extension such that its reduction to finite fields give code which is not equivalent to any of the Gabidulin-like codes over finite fields. So here what we have addressed, but we have considered fields of rational functions of finite characteristic to answer this question. So first we have defined map, which we'll see the properties later. So lambda for FQM star non-zero lambda, we define the map phi q lambda as fi xi goes to fi to the power q lambda to the power I x to the power I. These are the properties. So for any non-zero lambda, is this phi q lambda defines a ring automorphism, and it can be easily extended to the rational function field. And if we put one more condition on lambda, which is norm of lambda has order q minus 1 in the multiplicative group of fq, then the fixed field of phi q lambda takes this form. So we consider, we just let k to be the fixed field under phi q lambda, and then this degree of extension is equal to m into q minus 1, where we can have the polynomial basis aix to the power j. This turns out to be a cyclic Galois extension, and phi q lambda is the generator of the cyclic Galois group. The following lemma says that there are a good number of lambda in that FQM star which satisfies this property. It's easy to say that primitive elements of FQM actually has the property, but there are more elements other than the primitive element. Now we move on to the construction of MRD codes over the extension FQMX over K. So we take such a lambda with that property on the norm and let it be phi, and K lesser equal to n lesser equal to m into q minus 1. Then we take one phi polynomial from that set of phi polynomials, which actually acts as a linear operator on FQMX by this map. And if we choose k linearly independent elements of FQMX, F1 to Fn, then we consider the evaluation map. So this is the main construction. We restrict the set of linear polynomials to be to the linear operators, phi polynomials of degree at most k minus 1. And then under this map, the image gives a NKD linear code over the rational function field, and which is an MRD code. So the main argument is that because it has degree at most k minus 1, its nullity as a linear operator, its nullity is actually lesser equal to k minus 1. So the rank is greater or equal to n minus k plus 1. So combining with the singleton bound, we get this. Now we have codes over arbitrary fields, which is infinite here. It can be reduced to finite fields. How we can do that? For that, we consider a generator matrix. So what is a generator matrix of a code? A matrix whose rows consist of the basis of the code. So because code is a vector space, so we take the basis of the code. And so this generator matrix we take, where the first column, first row is the basis of f3 cube x over k, and we apply phi letter and phi square to get this matrix. And so this is how we can get MRD code over finite field by reducing the MRD codes over rational function field. So let's see be an MRD code with the rational function field with generator matrix G and its reduction. So each entry we reduce it modulo an irreducible polynomial of suitable degree. Then G bar generates an MRD code over the field FQ MR over FQ if and only this multiplication G bar M is invertible for any m belongs to FQMR k. So this is the matrices of order MR by k of rank k. So yeah, so in this way we can get MRD maximum rank distance codes over finite fields, and this is a criteria for generalized twisted Gabidulin code, which says that a code is generalized twisted Gabidulin code if its intersection with q to the power sth power of the code itself has dimension greater or equal to k minus 2 for some integer s with GCD ms equals to 1 if the code has dimension k. And so we have able to prove like there is a set of parameters q, m, and k with this property satisfied we can show that this reduced code has intersection with the q to the power s power is trivial for all the s such that s is relatively prime to mr. So from this condition, we can say that under these conditions on the parameters, we have a family of codes which are not equivalent to generalized twisted Gabby-Doulin code. And this is important in cryptography because there is a crypto system which was broken by using this property. So the large dimension of the intersection have used to break the crypto system. So we hope that these codes can be used to secure the system. And this is another part of the talk which includes another notion of rank metric code, which are matrix rank metric codes. It was introduced, actually this is the first one that was introduced in 1978 by Delsert. It was FQ subspace of the metric space of M by N matrices over FQ, where the rank distance is given by, so A, B are matrices. So the rank distance is given by matrix rank of their difference. And it is denoted as M by N KD, where K is the dimension and D is the minimum rank distance. And we consider codes which have some specific shape. So this is given by the Ferrous diagram. So what is Ferrous diagram? It comes from the partition of integers. It can be seen as array of right and top aligned dots, where each row has the number of dots, at most the same number of dots in the previous row. And so there are many ways of visualizing this diagram. This is one such. So it can be matrices of dots and empty spaces. So this is a 6 by 6 Ferrous diagram, which is also represented as 2 2 4 4 6 6, which gives the number of dots in the corresponding column. And so what is rank metric codes in Ferrous diagram? So if we fix a Ferrous diagram, which is an M by N matrix of dots, then a rank metric code C is called a Ferrous diagram code in F if all the code words in C has non-zero entries only in the position where there is dot in the Ferrous diagram. So it is supported on F. Now there's a bound on the dimension of such codes, which are Ferrous diagram codes in F. This is proved by Etzio Silverstein, and it is by counting the number of dots which remains after removing certain number of top rows and columns from right. So this is the formula, and the codes attaining this bound are called optimal Ferrous diagram rank metric code. This is important because these codes are used to construct subspace code, which are used in one-shot network coding. And this is also conjectured that for any set of admissible parameters, there exist optimal rank metric codes. And we have proved for this set of Ferrous diagram, we have constructed optimal Ferrous diagram code for this set of Ferrous diagram. So it is difficult to see from here. So I illustrate it with this diagram. First, what we do is we divide the number of columns, divide the columns into certain blocks. So here we have n blocks, and each block, so the ith block have mi columns, and each column contains ri dots. So if I see the last d minus 1 column, so other than the last d minus 1 column, this shaded area, you can take any number of dots which is in this area, and let the ith column take ri dots in the remaining region, and where ri and mi has certain condition. And so we have constructed optimal Ferrous diagram code for q greater than n. So n is the number of blocks we have divided the entries columns into. And so this includes some new Ferrous diagram also. And this is, so how much time do I have now? Then I will explain this construction.
You can take at most 2 minutes more.
Okay, okay. So I just explained the method in brief for the optimal Ferrous diagram rank metric code for this particular Ferrous diagram. So what we do is that the construction we consider for q equals to 4 and take d equals to 4. So we take the generator matrix of the MRD code that we have seen at the first part over F4 2x over the fixed field k. And so this is the generator matrix where the first row is the basis elements, and then we apply the 5 polynomials, and it can be reduced to this matrix because this is the Moore matrix, 3 by 3 Moore matrix, and these are linearly independent elements. Then that counting technique, actually this bound on this on the dimension of this diagram is actually the number of dots remaining after removing the last 3 columns. So this is 8. So we have considered an 8-dimensional subspace over F4, and consider C equals to Vg. We got this code words. So if this is the vectors, then you take the matrix representation under this basis. So you extend the vector into a matrix. And then, so it takes the form. The first 2 columns can have only non-zero entries in the first 2 rows, because C1 has degree 0. So it can be linear combination of A1 and A2 only. For this part, it can be linear combination of A1, A2, A1x, A2x. So it takes 4 dots. So that's how it is. It's the method. And I finish by saying that there is another application. This rank metric codes of a rational function field can also be used to construct codes with some rank metric. And actually, we have recovered a construction of linearized Reed-Solomon codes, which is a maximum sum rank distance code. And I conclude by some remarks. The length of the code those were non-generalized twisted Gabby-Doolin code. The length is smaller than the size of the base field. But in coding theory, it's preferable to have a smaller base field. And the construction of optimal Fedorov diagram also, we have seen that the base field requires K should be greater than the number of blocks we are taking. So the conjecture is still open for general Q. In particular, the construction we have done, it is open over F2. Yeah, so that ends my talk. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Rakhi.